In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Sling TV. So in order to do that, if you're actually changing language on the intro or audio subtitles, you can start by playing your content, then accessing the options right there. Pause the video and bring up the playback menu and find the audio or CC option. This actually means closed captioning, it's either on the left side of the menu. From in there, select the language that you want for the audio or turn captions on or off and choose the track that you want. Now for guide and channel display, you can go over to the guide and look for guide options. From in there, you can set your preferred language to make your favorite channels on the preferred language for guide content. Now, if you want to change it on the device level, you can access your device settings by going over to the main settings menu within the Sling app or your streaming device. Check the device preferences and look for sections like language or regional settings, and then change it right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.